Welcome to the Introduction to Harmonic Analysis. Harmonic analysis is a branch of mathematics concerned with representing functions or signals as superpositions of basic waves. This is also called generalized Fourier analysis. The main idea is decomposing functions on groups in symmetric spaces. Harmonic analysis extends the ideas of Fourier series and Fourier transforms to a more general setting. Let us see the difference between classical and generalized harmonic analysis. In classical harmonic analysis, we deal with functions defined on the set of real numbers to the power of n. We use Fourier transforms on Euclidean spaces and study periodic functions using Fourier series. On the other hand, the generalized approach involves functions on groups in symmetric spaces. It also uses abstract Fourier analysis and representation theory framework. Let us look at some of the key concepts of generalized harmonic analysis. First, let us define groups. A group is a set with an operation that is associative, has an identity element, and every element has an inverse. Examples of groups are G over H homogeneous spaces. Next, let us see about symmetric spaces. Symmetric spaces are Riemannian manifolds with inversion symmetry about every point. These can be represented mathematically as M equals G over K, where sigma squared equals identity. Let us look at some classic examples of groups in symmetric spaces. Examples of groups include compact Lie groups such as special orthogonal group of order n, special unitary group of order n, non-compact groups such as special linear group of order n, over real numbers. Locally compact groups such as real numbers to the power of n, integers to the power of n. Examples of symmetric spaces include hyperbolic spaces, that is h to the power n, which equals special orthogonal group 0, of order n, 1, divided by special orthogonal group of order n. Spheres, that is s to the power n equals special orthogonal group of order n plus 1, divided by special orthogonal group of order n. Euclidean space, that is real numbers to the power of n. Let us explore the applications of harmonic analysis. It has applications in physical sciences and mathematical fields. In physical sciences, it is used in quantum mechanics and wave functions, signal processing and acoustics, and electrical engineering and power systems. In mathematical fields, it is used in number theory and automorphic forms, representation theory of groups, and partial differential equations. Now let's discuss some fundamental group properties. First one is closure. If A and B are elements of group G, then A times B is also an element of G. Mathematically, this is represented as for all A, B belongs to G, A times B belongs to G. Next one is associativity. The group operation must be associative. Mathematically, this is represented as parenthesis, A times B parenthesis times C, equals A times parenthesis B times C parenthesis. The other two properties are identity and inverse. Identity. There exists a unique identity element E in G, such that for all A in G, E times A equals A times E equals A. Inverse. For every element A in G, there exists an inverse A inverse, such that A times A inverse equals E. A group homomorphism is a map phi from group G to group H that preserves structure. Meaning phi of G1 times G2 equals phi of G1 operator phi of G2. Key properties of group homomorphisms are kernel and image. The kernel of phi, denoted as ker of phi, is the set of all elements G in G such that phi of G equals E. The image of phi, denoted as im of phi, is the set of all phi of G, where G is an element of G. And G over ker of phi is isomorphic to im of phi. Here are some examples of group homomorphisms. First, exponential map. Example 1 is exponential from real numbers with addition to real positive numbers with multiplication. The property preserved is exponential of x plus y equals e to the power of x times e to the power of y. Next is determinant. Example 2 is determinant from general linear group of order n over real numbers to real numbers. The property preserved is determinant of AB equals determinant of A times determinant of B. Second, quotient groups. Example 1 is modular arithmetic from integers to integers over n integers. The property preserved is phi of a plus b equals parenthesis, a plus b parenthesis mod n. Next is projection maps. Example 2 is projection maps from group G times group H to group G. The property preserved is pi 1 of parenthesis G comma H parenthesis equals G. Now, let's look at the connection between group theory and representation theory. Representations involves group action on vector spaces. This can be mathematically represented as ρ, from G to GL of V. It also includes matrix representations of group elements, which can be mathematically represented as ρ of G1, G2 equals ρ of G1, ρ of G2. On the other hand, harmonic analysis link involves Peter-Weyl theorem for compact groups, mathematically represented as L squared of G equals direct sum of I-Vi tensor product Vi star. Decomposition into irreducible representations mathematically represented as F equals summation Aij, pi ij. Let us discuss some modern developments in harmonic analysis. Current research is focused on non-commutative harmonic analysis, quantum groups and deformed structures, and automorphic forms and L functions. It has numerous applications. These include machine learning and data analysis, signal processing on manifolds, and geometric deep learning. The future of harmonic analysis lies in bridging pure mathematics with computational applications. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.